Hey, it's Niels from GMC Mini Truck. Thanks for tuning back in. Today it's just gonna be a very short update because I bought something. As you might have already known, that getting the proper American-made parts here in the Netherlands is really difficult. So sometimes you stumble upon some things you cannot just pass on. Not sure if that's actually a proper English sentence. Whatever, doesn't really matter. So what did I buy? Well, I bought these. So these are the OEM one. So the originals. Yes, the tires are bullshit and crap and whatever. So those are going out. They are really dirty. But they are the original Enkei rims. E-N-K-E-Y. They're model A-9, made in the US, 15x7. Is it load index, RCC, whatever, DOT. Ridiculous amount of lead. Only problem I have with these, and that's definitely something that has to be mended. I don't know what the previous owner did, but they are oval. What the hell? I think actually what happened here is that they drove around with these without tightening the nuts. That sounds nuts, but I think that actually happened because here you can actually see the thread imprint of the stud. And yeah, that's crap. And it's actually on these two. So this one is the same. So I got two good ones, because these are round, and I got two bad ones. So let me clean these up, see what they look like, and well, here it is. This is rather satisfying actually. They're so incredibly dirty. But, luckily it's coming off. And this one actually has the least amount of counterweights. This is what I took out of the other three. It's ridiculous. But yep, that's looking better. Obviously still wet, but these are the back sides. And this is a front. I must say, pretty pleased with how they're looking, and I think I will actually go for the gunmetal insert. Of course, they're now quite shallow, but yeah, first get these hideous tires off and then inspect them. Hopefully they're still round, and of course cure the problem with the well, you can actually really see it well now. Yeah, it's not good. They're actually made in was it December 91? Yeah, December 91. So my truck is also a 91. I think it's actually from July or June. Anywho, same year. Yeah, and I only paid €50 for them, so I just couldn't let them go. It was just too good of an opportunity. So I will check it out, see if they can be repaired, and that's something for a future video. Then I will probably also paint them and whatever, but that's for something in the future. So for now, thanks very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and then I will see you on the next one. Take care, bye bye, and toodaloo.